Hey loves, so I have a video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this new little gadget that I got, and I showed in my Insta stories a few days ago, I believe, and I got a lot of questions on what it was. How it comes in a huge box because it is a huge machine. It's pretty big. I saw that this is a hair dryer that literally dries your hair without you having to twist on a brush, without you having to do pretty much anything. So if you're a lazy girl like me and you hate blow drying your hair, you're gonna wanna know about this product because I think it's so amazing, especially if you have really long hair or you're just not good at blow drying your hair. A lot of people, like myself included, are not really good at it. So this is a product that I was really excited to try. So if you want to see how this works in my review on it, just keep watching. Okay, so what you get in this kit when you order it, you get the machine, which is, I'm guessing, what powers it. So this is where all the power is. And then you have this long cord, which reminds me of a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, so you would put your hair in here, and in here it blow dries your hair for you. So yeah, this is the actual device where you put your hair in. You also get a little spray bottle, which I guess you could put your heat protectant, whatever you want to use this for. And then you get a little stand that helps to hold this actual device. I don't know exactly how you put it on, but I'm guessing it's like this. So yeah, so I'm gonna get right into this. Let's see how it leaves my hair. Okay, so if you're wondering what my turban is, this is from Aka's Hair. I think that's how you say it. And it's really good. It's a microfiber and it just really does a great job at not tearing your hair, not destroying your hair. So just wanted to quickly mention. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush out my hair because it's super tangled. Okay, so I'm reading the instructions, and basically you want to put it depending how much hair you have. I have a lot of hair and it takes a really long time to dry, so I'm gonna put it in 3 just to see. And then so 0 means cold air blast, 1 means low heat, and 2 is the 2 little dots is high temperature. So we're gonna do that. It also says that each section takes from 30 to 90 seconds. So we're gonna also time this. I have my phone right here. We're gonna time it. We're gonna see. How it looks. It's pretty dry. It's still a little bit wet in the end, so I'm going to concentrate more on the ends, but it is pretty dry and pretty soft. Didn't have any smell. It's super pretty, so I'm gonna do 30 seconds mainly on the ends, and let's see how it comes out. Okay, so that's about 30 seconds and it's completely dry now. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the finished result. I really like it. I definitely would say that when you're if you have long hair like I do, you kind of want to go through sections, because since my hair is so long, it doesn't fit like all of it in here, so you kind of have to do the ends a little bit more. Or if you leave out more hair, you kind of want to do the crown. But when you do want to do your roots, you kind of want to do it at this angle so that it blows air into your roots, because if not, your roots will not dry. So that's one thing to note from this. kind of have to get right in there. And then if you're gonna do your bangs like I did, I just put them forward and then I did it upward and out, so it's not super straight, even though they're still straight because I did it that way first, but afterwards I just blew it upwards and it looks like this. Really, really pretty. And this is how my hair looks. Super sleek, absolutely love it. Even when I do blow dry my own hair, it doesn't look this straight. Like, I'll be honest, I can never get it this sleek, but super nice. So I'm gonna go in with some of my favorite products, and this is what I usually do when I do my hair, which is the Way hair oil. Looks like this. And then I'll add a little bit of their texturizing spray. So I do about 2 pumps. Mix it in. I just add that a little bit to my roots just to give my hair a little bit more volume up here. And that's it. How easy was this hair? It literally took me about 20 minutes because I do have a lot of hair. Like, I'm not exaggerating when I say I have a lot of hair. Like, usually all hairdressers, when they see me and they see my head of hair, they're like, ooh girl. Oh, I'm like every hairdresser's probably worst nightmare because I have so much hair. But yeah, it took me about 20 minutes to dry my entire head of hair. And like I said, you want to concentrate by sections if your hair is really long. If it's shorter length, it'll probably dry all of it in one go, but you want to angle it upwards so that it gets your roots, because if not, it will not dry your roots and you will have to go back like I did in some parts in the back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you have any other questions about this device, let me know in the comments below and I will definitely answer them as quickly as I can. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.